Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mason from Getaway Day. This is going to be a pretty quick card video, but I went to the Midwest Monster Card Show up in Fishers, Indiana this weekend, and I mostly was just looking around trying to see if anyone was interested in trading for my Judge One of One um, auto from 2021 Topps Archives Signature Series. Didn't get any takers on that, and I didn't take a whole lot of cash with me. So what I did end up getting was this repack from the Hollisters. I've not done a whole lot of looking into it yet, but from talking to the guy, um, he said that this pack is going to have 5 autos, and then the rest of the cards in it are going to be made up of uh, rookies, numbered cards, etc. But there's no junk in it. So there's not just random base cards unless it's a good rookie or like a really nice card of a veteran or something like that. So that's kind of what we've got in store for us. So I was looking to see if it would pop up on eBay here pretty quick, but I'm not seeing it right off the bat. So I'll try and find some more information about where you can find these, and I will put it in the description of the video. But let's just go ahead and get right into it and see what we can find. So it looks like there is a team bag of cards. There's probably a relic in there. There's some kind of a relic in a one touch. So we'll just pull it straight out of here. Start at the front. So we do have a Nate Field autograph from Bowman Chrome right on the front. So let's find out what's in our one touch. It is a Sweet Spot Classic Signatures from Upper Deck. Dick Groat from the Pirates, numbered 102 out of 175. That is really cool. Let's see if my camera will focus on it. There we go. That's awesome. All right, so that is one of the 5 autos that we're going to get in this pack. Another one is Nate Field right off the front. Team bag off to the side. Then we've got another auto right off the bat here of John Flaherty. Yunel Escobar game worn jersey card out of Bowman from 2006. Got a Bryce Harper Bowman or Topps Chrome, sorry, Albert Pujols active leaders card from 2020 update. Mark McGwire 2020 update card. Rookie of Evan White out of Panini Prism. We have a Donruss Optic, Jacob deGrom. We have a Taylor Trammell rookie Titan insert from, I believe that one is from Optic, but I'm not positive. Oh, Chronicles Titan Baseball. Interesting. All right, so then these cards are upside down, so I'm not sure what that means. So let's just do that real quick. Aristides Aquino rookie from Diamond Kings. Cody Bellinger All-Star Game insert from 2020. Ronald Acuna Panini Mosaic. Like we might have an appearance from Mookie. She wants to see the cards, so she's going to lay here. We have a Juan Soto Diamond Kings Optic. A Luis Robert Optic. And then finally, this should be 2 more autos if I'm not mistaken. We have Carter Baumler from Pro Debut 2021. And that one's not going to focus very well. There it goes. Finally, Thomas Jones dual relic from Panini Elite Extra Edition, numbered 33 of 49. That is actually the lowest numbered I've ever seen out of Elite Extra Edition. It is from 2016. So Thomas Jones at the time was in the Marlins organization. So I'll have to look into him and see what happened with him. But this pack cost me $30, and in repacks you're not always gonna get your value back. That Dick Groat card is really cool. Um, I'm guessing it's not worth an absolute ton, but still a really fun pull. So, Bookie's just gonna do some inspecting here. The Dick Groat card. So yeah, so our autos. It looks like there were 4 autos in this one. So the Dick Groat, Carter Baumler, John Flaherty, Nate Field, and then we had 2 relics, Yunel Escobar, and Thomas Jones. So thank you very much, and if you enjoyed this, let me know, and maybe I'll get some more repacks and do some more openings. So have a great night.